I'm going to show you very quickly how to access the Edublogs website and using your new specialist user account details, and then how to make a post. I'm not going to explain everything on the page that you see, just enough to get you started, and I strongly encourage you to have a look around because it's quite user friendly. The first thing that you should understand is this screen will look a little different. I'm making this video from home where I use a Macintosh computer. All of the boxes and the things that you need to do are in the same spot. They just look a little different. The first thing you need to do is go to the Edublogs website. So type in edublogs.org to your URL to arrive at this screen. You'll see that there's a username and a password box. The username that you've been given is specialist51 and the password is specialist51. Not good practice, but easy to remember. Please uncheck Remember Me and choose Login. You'll know that you've logged in because instead of the username and password box at the top of the screen, it says Welcome Specialist51. The next thing you need to do is click Your Dashboard. This will take you to the admin area of the blog. So it's going to look very different to the blog post page. On this screen, there's some tabs along the top to make a new post, to see old posts and any comments that have been posted as well. You don't need to worry about those so much. I mean, of course, have a look. To post your post to the blog, you'll first need to add the title, and then to the body of your text. What I strongly suggest is that you first write your posts in Word and then paste them into the blog window. So I'm just going to copy some text from Word and now put it back into the window. Now you are able to add some simple formatting to the text that you've added, but before I show you those buttons, which are quite self-explanatory, I want to bring your attention to this extra bit of text that has appeared, which looks hideous and it needs to be removed. It has come because you've copied from Word. It's not a problem, you just need to delete it. That's the heading of my post, so I'm going to delete that as well. I'm going to highlight these and bullet point them, remove that space, and I'm going to select this text so that I can add a link, and I have the link ready over here. I'm going to select the text, which is for the URL, copy it, and then paste it into the link URL box. Insert. That's worked because it now says school over there. Now with the tags, please make sure that you do use tags, because I'm teaching the children that this is a very important part about blogging, and so your model is good for them to see. I suggest that you add a tag which is for your specialist area, so for example German, and please also have a look at the tags which we are using commonly in the classroom and think how your post could connect to any of these tags, and I ask you to also suggest some of these tags as well. If you choose a tag from the cloud, it will appear down here, otherwise you can add your own tags up there. Click add when you're done. Something that's new in this window are categories. These are another way to organize the posts. At the moment, when we have so very few posts, it's not an issue, but as we move through the year and we have more and more, it will become an issue. And I would like things to be organized based on our units of inquiry. So I have the categories, which are the transdisciplinary themes, and then an additional category for maths, and of course our blogging challenge. So please choose the unit of inquiry that your blogging post relates to. And when you're done, choose submit for review. It's important to understand your post won't appear immediately on the blog. Just like the other posts, that you are doing in Blogger, these appear in the admin account and I need to promote them myself as the administrator of the site. You know that the post has been submitted when this yellow bar appears, and if you'd like to preview the post, you can just click Preview Post. And there it is. That's what it's going to look like. You can go back by pressing the back button. You can make any changes that you would like, and you can resubmit without needing to add any of the others, because you'll see now this has already been added, and you can just click again, submit for review without any problem. There are media links along the top which you can explore. They're quite self-explanatory, and I do ask that you keep these two boxes checked, because that will ensure that people can comment to your post, and it will also allow trackbacks and pingbacks. Comments are something which I'm strongly encouraging all participants of the blog to make. Students, absolutely. Parents, most certainly. And I also encourage you as the specialists to look at our blog and also post comments. Please keep an eye especially on the posts which you yourself make, and if people post comments where it would be appropriate for you to reply, please reply to the comments through the blog threads. But apart from that, I think that's all that you need to know. Once you're done, you can choose Log Out, which will bring you to this screen, and you'll notice that you are now logged out. So happy posting.